How to enable or disable pointer location on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus or the S25 Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on developer options. From here, scroll down and scroll down to the input section. Then tap on pointer location. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here say screen overlay showing current touch data. So whatever you touch, it will show the data at the top right here. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.